Now quickly observe CTL. Get nodes right. Node is working fine. Okay. I think which document? Windows key E. Windows key E. Going to E drive. Their latest downloads. Their Helm master main. Within that, I think which one is finished? Quick response. I think 13th one is finished. Yes or no? I think we are in half of the document, right? 13th. I think we didn't finish. Maybe we may check it. Now, up to this, we finished yesterday. Are you agree with me? Yes or no? This one. There, 4, 2, 1. Are you agree with me? This is the final output.
Yes.
Now, test if statement, the Helm template, that template you may get it. Why do we go for hyphen set? Dynamically, if you want to apply, see each and every time you no need to go and enter into values.yml. Without entering into values.yml, we can directly change the values. Why we are changing? Within the values.yml, myapp.env was there or not? Myapp.env equal to qa. Automatically you may get 2. If you give maybe prod, you may get 4. Other than qa, other than prod, you may get 1 only. You may get 1 only. I hope you got the clarity. Now dry run, what is the use of atomic Shankar? Already we discussed it, right? Atomic purpose is if any, if any, suppose if not installed at the time, at the time, it may, it may, it may not give, it may not give. Failure releases won't provide. It may delete, failure release. That's all. Show resources. What it will tell? What it will tell? Show resources. It will provide whatever the resources you installed for that particular release. Now this document is clear, right? This is over. Now move on to one step back. See, today we may enter into if, else, and boolean. Unrule, or rule, and boolean. Boolean means true, false, right? Boolean means true or false. Now, just I'm opening documentation. First, I'll try to explain the documentation. Then we'll go for the exam. See, what they're expecting is directly I'm going to example. You may understand here. Please observe. Till yesterday, myapp.env is pro. What is the value? Production. See, retail. Retail dot enable feature. What is the feature here? They took either true or false. If you don't want true, you can give false. This is the way. But anyway, that they given true. Consider this. Now, based on this, see, and rule. What is the meaning of and? If both are valid, both are matching, then only and is true. See, simply we can say true and true. What does it mean? True only, right? True and false. What does it mean? True and false means false only. True and false means false only. Now see, in this one, they're adding one little extra thing. What is the little extra thing? Here, check it. If and condition values dot myapp dot retail dot enable feature. Now quick response. What does it mean? The final result is what here? The final result is what here? Hello? Is there or not?
Yes.
Yeah. See what is the result, Karan Garu? This one. What is the final result? Dot values dot myapp dot retail dot enable feature means true. Why I'm telling like that? Here you can easily understand. See, my APP followed by ENV, my APP followed by retail, retail followed by enable feature. See, I want to touch this. I need to touch this one. I want to touch this. Again, I want to touch here. I no need to touch this one. Please observe. Because of yeah, this my APP having two children. One children name is ENV, another children name is retail. For this retail children, one more children. Are you understanding or not? I want to get this true. What to do? Quick response, anyone? What to do? My APP dot result retail. No, no, no. My APP dot retail dot enable feature. Don't touch ENV. If you touch ENV, what is the result? Fraud only. Got the clarity? See, again I am telling my APP having two children. One children name is ENV. Directly some value is assigned. But one more children is there. There is no value. Again subchild is there. What is the subchild name? Enable feature. Now again I am going to here. Please try to understand. Same thing they written or not. See, dot values dot my app dot retail dot enable feature. I am asking to you, what is the final result, final output? This one, what is the output it may provide? True only. Are you understanding or not? In this place, I am deleting Control X. I may write true also. This is also valid. But suddenly I want to change false. Where can I come? I need to enter into deployment. See, our simple logic. See, I think maybe 10 to 15 days back I told, laser treatment. What does it mean of laser treatment? Without cutting, without stitching, I can do some operation. Got it or not? In the same way, I am modifying in values.yml where that will reflect maybe deployment, maybe service account, maybe some other file. Is it clear for you? Now Control Z. Now see here. This is the unrule, right? Next, what is the thing they are writing here? Equals. So now check it here. Values dot my app dot env. What is the my app dot env there? Quick observation. Observe and tell me. What is the my app dot env? Quick observation. What is the result? Fraud.
Fraud.
Now check it here. Now check it here. You can easily understand if this is true. Equals dot values dot myapp dot env. This is total prod, right? Prod equals to prod. True or false? Tell me. Anyone?
True, sir.
True and true. Shivashankar. True and true means what? Again, true only. What is how many replicas you may get here?
Six,
Six.
sir.
Got the clarity? Yesterday we have seen 4 to 1. Today we are going to get 6 also. Based on which property you are getting 6? One more extra property. One more extra property. See here. See if condition false, which condition false? Dot values dot myapp dot retail dot enable feature false. Assume enable feature false. This is false. But production equals to production true. True and false what? True and false? False.
False.
Control comes to next else if. Else if equals values dot myapp dot env already prod is there. You make it 4 only. But our intention, we want to get 6. We want to get 6. How to get 6? First we will see. Based on that we will discuss. Here common sense, logic sense. If both we are having this Helm is very simple, very easy. Maybe for a first batch, you may little bit cumbersome, little bit difficulty, little bit maybe doubtful, maybe what to change, where to change. those things. There I may go for backup files. There click on here. Here anything is there? Nothing. We are going to help basics. Now see here, even though I know very well about programming languages, first two batches I face a lot of difficulty in Helm. Maybe this is the fourth or maybe third or fourth batch. Now I am very happy to work with Helm. Whatever you ask in Helm, spontaneously I can give some answer. That much of easiness. Why? I did lot of practice. Only that is the simple things. Now, anyway, now go for tree slash f. Now good to go. First, I need to enter into which file? Quick response, anyone? Which file I need to enter? Why I need to enter values.yml only? Anyone can guide me? Why I need to go for values.yml only? Because of any modification if you want to do on the Helm, there's the default file values.yml. This will reflect on where? Values.yml content where it will reflect quick response within the templates,
In that
within
time.
the templates folder. Maybe here today deployment is there. I said right. Tomorrow Nginx is there, HPA is there, service account is there, like that n number of files may be the template files. Now notepad, tell me values, right? Values dot VAL, values dot val. See, there already environment is production. Maybe font size is very low. Now check it. Environment is prod. Enable feature true. How many replicas you may get? Quick response. How many replicas you may get? Guide me.
Six.
Good. Six. Now I'm going to one step back. How to install quick response? Help install the release name rel hyphen 11 dot only, right? Something going wrong? Which file is missing? Why chart.yml is missing? It is saying all chart is there, right? Where I am in? I am in proper order only. Am I missing anything? Tree slash f. Yes. Backup. No, I need to enter into Helm basics. I am in one step back. Please observe here. CD Helm basics. Now observe. CLS, quick response, up arrow, Helm install, REL 111 dot. Now check it. It got installed. But what I need to, I installed. Please, how many replicas you may get it quick response? kubectl get PO, check it. How many replicas you may get it? What is the problem? kubectl get PO. See, are you observing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is there any difficulty? All are REL. Try to understand. Don't consider S hyphen. This is the oldest one. 165 minutes ago, it was created. These are currently are very latest one. This is the latest movie. This is the old movie. Every day one show is going, but here it is going three shows at least. Is it clear for you? Anyone facing any difficulty? Now I want to see that six. Shivashankar, tell me the command. If I want to see this, helm, helm, don't go with install. Go with what? Quick response. Go with Go with
Set.
template. Template. See, how many replicas? Six.
Six.
Six. Now anyone can guide me, ma. I want to get four. Where? Maybe Kiran Garu, you tell me. I want to get four only. Where to change? What to change? Maybe take some time. No worries. Slowly observe it and try to interact with it. Now I'm giving free slash f. Try to observe. Now I said whatever you want to modify, where you want to modify is the fundamental
Values start Y1. Yeah.
fundamental theory. Notepad values. Good. Now I want to get four, right? Four means for production four is there. You know very well. But but enable feature you need to give what is that? False, right? False. FALS. That's all. Good. Save it. Now try to apply up arrow. Where is that? CD dot dot. I'm in correct order only. Yes. There Helm template. Now check it. 4. Now Ramya, I want to get 1. Quick guidance. I want to get only 1. Here itself I want to do. From here itself I want to do. I want to get 1. Here only you need to tell. I don't want to enter into values.py. But you want to check the way of procedure. Even I am giving clue for you. I am giving clue for you. What is the clue? I am telling. What is the clue? myapp.env, myapp.env may be equal to prod. myapp.env. In last maybe documentation you have seen. See hyphen set hyphen set my app dot what is the name I said? My app dot env. Env. Env is equal to what is the name? What is the name? Dev, right? No. Prod means how many? Prod means how many?
Means four, four,
Four. If prod and true means how many? Prod and true means
six,
six.
six,
Prod and false means how many? Again four
four,
only.
four, four
Again
also.
four only. QA means how many? QA means two only. Other
Yes.
than QA, other than prod, maybe dev, right? How many? You may get one only. See, such knowledge is it easy or complex? That I am asking to you. See, sometimes you may tell or not, leave it. Even after getting the result, have you understood or not? That is my intention. Even here itself, even after completion of this also, you are not able to understand means you are not suitable for Helm. Tell me, for Helm you are not suitable. For other tools you may be suitable. See, 10 items are there in my plate. I may eat 3 to 4 very easily. Remaining 3 to 4 may be little bit difficult. One or two items I may not eat itself. My friend will eat, my neighbor will eat, but I may not eat because of my teeth may not support. In the same way, subject also same thing. But slowly we can improve, slowly we can understand. Okay, good to go. Now I hope up to this clear. See, unrule, you know, right? Unrule. In the same way, we can go for R rule. See, this one already, we did, we did. Now somewhere, even I said, right? Hyphen set. Kiran, is it clear for you? Hyphen set, I use it, right? You want
Yes.
to change. See, very simple answer. When do we go for hyphen set? You want to change a specific property. You want to change a specific property. You can go with set. Good.
Single property only.
Not only single, even you can set multiple also. See,
Okay.
you want to get six also. Hyphen set one thing, again one more hyphen set. Like that, we can go for multiple sets. Even try to understand. If you are having more than two sets, you never go with this way of representation. You need to go with values.yml. If more sets are there, again complex. Again complex. See, one bike, four members, very complex. One bike, one car, four members, very easy, right? One car, four members is our values.yml. One bike, two members is what is that? Bike is good, like that. Hyphen set means if one or two values you want to change, set is the good property, set is the good flag. I hope this is finished or not. Quick response. Good. Now we need to go for R rule. Maybe R check it. Somewhere R is there. See, same documentation. There and is there. Now we may go with R. What is the meaning of R? Either anyone is true. Our answer is what? True only, right? anyone is true, our answer should be true. We may check it. You may get the clarity. Now I'm asking to you, see this concept, try to tell me the answer. See, here they given, there I think somewhere they mentioned, right? Here I think there. And now try to observe. My APP colon ENV, they given prod, that's all. My APP colon ENV prod. What the written, check it, anyone? If R equals dot values dot myapp dot env. What is the final result here? Quick response. Already you have seen, right? Prod equals to prod. Is it true or
Prods.
false? Prod equals to prod. True or false?
Trues.
True. Shivashankar, if first one true, even no need to check second one. That is the rule of what? R rule. Got it or not? See,
Yes.
you are having positive attitude, assume. Your wife may scold you. You never bother. You are having negative attitude. Some other will scold. Even your wife won't scold. Your brother won't scold. Even neighbor people may scold. Again, you may anger. In the same way, what is the R rule advantage? If at least one is true, again true only. Already true, right? See, equals dot values dot myapp dot env. What is the actual meaning of dot values dot myapp dot env? What is the value here? Prod only, right? Prod equals to UAT. Prod equals to UAT. Matching or non-matching?
Not matching, so false condition.
Even though not matching, how many replicas you may get? Quick observation and tell me. How many replicas you may get? Yeah, six only. Why six only? One is true. Good. Shiv Shankar, you got it or not? When do I get two? When do I get two? Anyone tell me? When do I get two?
Either that or this, sir.
Suppose, if I give here, observe. If I give here, assume QA. If I am giving here QA, what is the output I may get? Based on this response, QA. Now check it. Dot values, dot myapp, dot env. First we check this condition. Is it matching or not? Dot values, dot myapp, dot env. QA. QA is equals to prod, Shivashankar? Yes or no? QA is
No, sir.
equals to prod? No. Again, QA is equals to UAT?
No, sir.
QA. Again, false or false? Tell me. False or false?
False.
False only. If
False.
false means control moving to else part, right? Within the else part, now equals dot values dot
You
myapp
can
dot
get
env qa
replicate
equal
to
to q. You may get 2, right? Yes or no? See, compared to and, R is flexible. R is very flexible. And is very rigid one. మనకు ఎవరైనా నచ్చితే ఆర్ కండిషన్ ఫాలో అవుతాం. మనకు ఎవరైనా నచ్చకపోతే అండ్ కండిషనే ఫాలో అవుతాం. నేనైతే అదే పాటిస్తా. మీరు నాకంటే అంటే దాన్ని ఏమంటాము? మీ పెద్ద మనసు మీకుంటే మీరు ఆర్‌నే పాటిస్తారు. మీకు పెద్ద మనసు లేకపోతే అండే పాటిస్తారు. మీరనే కాదు ప్రపంచంలో ఎవరైనా సరే. అండ్ ఏం చేస్తుందండి? ప్రతి చిన్నదాన్ని పట్టుకుంటుంది. నాకలా అయితేనే, ఇలా అయితేనే, ఇలా ఉంటేనే అలా రిస్ట్రిక్షన్స్ పెడుతున్నామంటే అండ్ రూల్ అండి. ఫ్లెక్సిబిలిటీ ఇస్తున్నామంటే ఆర్ రూల్ అండి. ఆర్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఫ్లెక్సిబుల్. Sometimes and is very powerful, but you know very well. Anyway, this is clear for you. You know here set myapp.env they are giving prod, myapp.env uat, myapp.env dev, myapp.env is equal to null. Null means what? Nothing. Null means nothing. If nothing, you may get sometimes error also. Nothing means it won't consider, right? It won't consider. Null and null is null only. Okay, now I'm not running. I'm not running. You know the rule. Now simply are going to one more. This is the not. Not is also I won't touch, but you may know. NOT. Check it. NOT. Here you know this. Again, what they are telling. Here, see, first you need to go for the condition. myapp.env prod they given. This is my values.yml file. Now check it. What is the speciality here? Try to understand first. Not won't work first. First you will check within the traces. Now observe dot values dot myapp dot env. What is the result of this? Maramya, tell me. What is the result up to this? What is the
Fraud.
output of this? Prod, right? They're
Yes.
written prod only, I think. Prod only, are you agree with me? Prod. Prod equals to prod. True or false?
True.
True. For true, we apply not ma. For true, we apply not. What does it mean?
False.
If condition false, can we get replicas one? Yes or no? At least
Mm,
respond.
no, sir.
No. Where shall I go? Else part. What is the else part having?
6.
Six. That's all. Shankar got it or not? Not means
Yes, sir. Get
opposite.
it.
Not means opposite. Clear, I think. Remaining nothing. One step back. Now some more special concept is with items. Just with. See, when do we go for with? Now, with action controls variable scopes. See, two scopes are there according to Helm. One is the object scope, one is the object scope. Second one is the current scope. One is the object scope, second one is what? Current scope. I may give little clarity, you may get the clarity. Now, with action can allow you to set the current scope dot. Generally, there is no with Shivashankar. If I use dot, what is the scope? This is the global scope. That is the global scope. Now, try to understand. I may take directly an example. You may get the clarity. With action statement, sets the dot object to values dot pod annotations. Okay. Inside the with action block, dot always refers to values dot pod annotations. Here two, I said right, two scopes. What is that? One is the current scope. Second one is what? Object scope. Object scope. Now, we may take one example that try to understand YML file template followed by metadata. Within that, see, this is first hyphen. What is this? What it represents? Anyone can guide me? This hyphen represents what? This hyphen represents what?
Current.
Avoiding, avoiding leading spaces. Leading spaces. Leading means what, ma? Anyone? Leading means what? Beginning or starting? Beginning or starting? Is it clear for you? What it represents? Anyone can tell me? When can we use to ml? If you want to add block of code. If you want to add block of code. If you want to add block of code. What this represents? Again, quick response. What is the meaning of an indent? Control moves to next line. Within the next line, how many blank spaces it will consider? How many
8.
blank spaces? 8 blank spaces. Control is moving to next line. There it will take again 8 spaces. After that only our block of code will display. Block of code will display. Now remaining things are very common. See, this is the block annotations colon app name colon something app tag colon something app type colon something. This code they want to add it. Now see here, add root object in with add root object in with block. Now try to understand here what they are trying to explain. See, they use it with, right? There are hyphen space with dot values dot pod annotations. In the same way, annotations here 2ml dot they took, dot they took, and n indent 8. See, here width is there in this. Now guide me. Here is there any width option here? Up to this, no, right? No. See, dot release, dot service. This is the object type. This is the object type. This is also object type. Dot values. See, 6 objects we discussed. Sri Shankar, tell me all the 6 objects name. Somewhere we discuss a root object. See, I am going to here. This is very, very important. Notepad once again. This here, like this, I specified somewhere dot what it represents. Root object. What it represents? Root object. Root object. Now, root object followed by how many objects? Anyone can quickly respond? 6 objects. 6 objects. What are the 6 objects, ma? Quick response. One is the dot chart. Another one is the dot values. Another one is the dot RELAS release. What is the next one? Dot template. Dot file. What is the next one? Dot capabilities. PALITIES. See, if you remember like this, that concept is very, very simple. If any name may be preceded by dot symbol that represents what? This, this root related object sort. This root related object. Got it or not? They are telling this one. They are telling this one. Even though here width is there, dot values, predefined, right? Dot values. Good. See, within width block, see somewhere width block is there. This is the within the width block. Dot release dot service. You want to feel like a global object. You need to give $sign symbol. See, to access root object inside with action block, we need to represent. We need to prepend that root object with the hashtag with the dollar only, right? Dollar. See, dot release dot service within the width you must give dollar. Then only it will consider as a root object. Then only it will consider as a root object. This is the small modification you need to understand. Small modification you need to understand. Now they are giving how to retrieve a single object from dot values dot myapps dot data dot config. See, what if there is only need for one or two values from dot values dot myapps dot data dot config. What they are telling, how to access the each key value from dot values dot myapps dot data dot config. They are giving questions based on that you may get. See, within my apps followed by data followed by config dot within which one you want it? Quick response. Which one you want it? Maybe this one, maybe this one, maybe this one, maybe this. Unfortunately, I may specify my apps dot data dot config dot app tech. What is the output, ma?
HTML.
HTML. If you use 2ML, you may get all the block at a time, total block. Yeah, they are getting, see, through with block, with means combination. Try to understand. How many items am I getting here? Seema, dot values dot myapps dot data dot config. Is there or not? See, dot values dot myapps dot data dot config. This total block I consider, right? After this, followed by what? Maybe app name, maybe app type, maybe app tag, maybe app DB. If you want to get multiple, with is good. If you want to get only one, with is not necessary, right? Already we mentioned here, right? Dot, one more dot. You mention what? Dot app name or maybe dot app type. When do we go for with? Anyone tell me? You want to access multiple items at a time. Multiple items. Combination. Multiple values you want to. No need to mention again and again same thing. This is the boilerplate code. How many of you know the meaning? Boilerplate code means duplicate code. Again and again you need to write, right? Even I want to use 4 times. Dot values, dot myapps, dot data, dot config, dot app type. Again same thing. Dot some other type, some other name. Got it or not? Here they mention one is the app name, second was app type. Even you want it remaining two. What I mentioned here, app name, app type. Even you want to get it something, app tech. How can I write app tech? See, same thing here. Copy this, control C, there control V. What is that? What do you want here? App tech. 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 What to write here? The app tech, right? TECH. Is it good or bad? Reducing the code, improving the performance, improving the performance. Readability is good. What is the meaning here? What is the specialty? Readability. That is very, very important. Got it or not? Shall I go and run it? Maybe at least I may run this one. You may understand. You may understand. Close this. Don't save. No, Helm basics. No, just CMD. Now, the tree slash M. Good. Not bad. Not bad. Values that well. Try to understand here. Try to understand here. See ma pod annotations. Pod annotations dot app name. Pod annotations dot app type. Pod annotation dot app tech. One type of. This is maybe little easy. Why little easy? Only one level, right? Or agree with me or not? Only one level. Here see how many levels are there. One, two, three, four. Again one, two, three, four. Again one, two, three, four. Again and again. This is the boilerplate code. Am I said or not?
Yes.
For a testing flow control with scope more detailed. With scope is good. Why with scope? In with scope we mentioned these 3 layers. These 3 layers. This is layer 1. This is layer 2. This is layer 3. Whatever repeating is there, there we are mentioning. That's all right. Now good to go. Close this. Now you need to understand CD templates, CD templates, notepad, notepad, config map, config map. That way. Check it here. What we written here? This is object scope dot release dot name dot chart dot name. Why I can say this is the object scope? Is there any with concept? Quick response in this line. Is there any with concept? Is there or not? No with. This is the
No.
pure object scope. Pure object scope. What is this? This is the local scope. This is the local scope. Now see hyphen with dot values dot myapps dot data dot config. The meaning of this what? Dot app name dot app type. I may run this. You may understand clearly. There cd dot. I need to go. No need, right? No need. I mean template, right? Yes. Sir. One step back now. Now quick response. Help template maybe rel there dot check it am I getting config. How many? Application name, application type. I want to get one more. Anyone can guide me here? I want to get third type. I want to get third one. Here I want to get one more line, one more config map, one more data item. Quick guidance. Where should I go? Shall I go to values.yml or shall I go to config.yml? Quick response. Cd
Config.
template. Now notepad config.yml. I think anyone can guide me what to do here. I need to modify something. Copy it, Control C, there paste it, Control V. Indentation is important. Don't miss indentation. Now tell me, app tech, I think, right? App tech, app TECH. Here, unfortunately, if I write like this, I may get an error. What to write here? App tech. Is it clear for you? Yes. If I am not wrong, I may get the output. This sense is important, but you may get slowly. Now, notepad, not notepad, Helm template. See, am I getting one more one right? What is the application tech? HTML. Which technology? HTML technology. They are using application type, web server, application name. My APP one. Anybody facing any difficulty here? Knowingly, unknowingly, we covered many things. Even time is 40 minutes only. Within 40 minutes, I covered nearly 4 to 5 folders. Till now, try to practice remaining things. Remaining things we'll discuss because even if I continuously take 2 to 3 hours, maybe majority of the things may finish. These are all relevant. These are all relevant. This is also with if else, Helm, dev variables, their range list, their range dictionary, up to this dev named template, up to this is very common concept. Even you may check it also. You may try to understand very simple. From 22nd, something different topic. Something different topic. Okay, anyway, we'll discuss one by one. We'll discuss one by one. Okay, thank you. Remaining things, we'll see. Now, what about tomorrow morning? Markunda sir will take 7 to 8, right? Shall I go for 8:15 to 9? If you are okay. If you are okay. Anyone guide me? Or else we may take tomorrow evening only. That is your wish. Hello? Quickly respond. Morning 7 to 8 you will take. That is very common. From 8:15 to 9, if feasible, I may take help. No, no, sir. Already you taught more. Maybe tomorrow evening only you take. Within maybe 7 to 8 classes, I may finish up to 47 marks. Don't worry. Within 7 to 8 classes. Okay? Anyway, your duty is properly practice. Same documentation I provided for you. First, you need to save in your maybe C drive or D drive. Then only it will work properly. Stop recording. Record.